3 years ago, I was broke, jobless, and stuck. But today, I make thousands of dollars by just working few hours on my laptop. Sounds crazy? I'm about to prove it to you. In this video, I will show you exactly how I went from making $0 to 5,000 US dollar in a day. And I did all this with freelancing websites. The sweet part is that you can do this too even if you are just a beginner. I remember applying for jobs and getting rejected over and over again. No one wants to hire me because I had no experience. I stumbled upon freelancing and everything changed. Fast forward to today and I've built a system that earns me thousands of dollars in a day. And I'm about to share it with you so you can do the same without making the mistakes that I made. People overcomplicate this step. But let me make it simple. Choose a skill that is already making people money. Here are some skills that you can start with as a beginner. Video editing, copywriting, graphic design, and web development. I understand you are still a beginner here. If you need helping hands, you can use both like ChatGPT to help you with your skills. Your profile is your online card. If it is bad, you won't make a dime. Here are the 3 things that you must have on your profile. A professional looking picture, a clear client focused bio, and a simple portfolio. Creating your portfolio, if you are a beginner, you can use AI to gather some images of portfolio for yourself. Most freelancers struggles here, but I'm going to give you my secret weapon. The number 1 thing is finding the client that needs your skill. They can be found through Upwork, LinkedIn, or Fiverr. Send them a simple, powerful message. Offer insane value in your first job to build credibility. Once you land on your first client, you can leverage them for more testimonies and high-paying gigs. Now, here is where the real money comes in. Increase your rate as you gain experience. Automate and outsource low-level tasks. Build passive income by selling courses, templates, or coaching service. This is how you turn a freelancing from a side hustle to a full-time job. Now you have the exact same system that I used to go from broke to making thousands of dollars daily. But here's the deal. If you don't take action, nothing will change. Comment freelance below if you're serious, and I'll reply with my best tips to help you get started. Hit that like button and subscribe for more money-making secrets.